Remember that divine energy has its own intelligence. So when you're receiving the healing, I'm not going to answer this question 200 times. When you're receiving the healing, suppose you want this energy for your relationship. When you're receiving it, say I'm willing to receive fifth dimensional healing from Sheila M. Bajaj, okay, before the healing starts. So you go on to the how do you do it? You first find the link to the fifth dimensional group. If you send us a DM, you'll find a link. Before you click on the link, download Telegram. Download Telegram. After you download Telegram, the link will be a valid link. So you click on the link, you go to 5D healing group. Then there's some social something, some.com, socialrec.com form something. So you click on that link. It's always on the group. And then you kind of do your payment, whatever, and you get added to a list. We have some automated, like a bot. We are like super, we've just got all this automation done. Okay, so you get added to a list. When you get added to a list, and at the time of the healing, you say, I'm willing to receive fifth dimensional healing from Sheila M. Bajaj, okay? When you say that, then you intend for the healing to go to a certain area of your life. Remember, divine energy also has its own intelligence. You don't have to tell the divine energy what to do. But in any case, it's good to have the intention that you want it for your business. Okay, you want it for this, you want it for that. So the energy goes there. Remember, energy always follows your thought. So if you're thinking about some idiot who did something to you, or you're thinking about a stupid teacher in your life, or you're thinking about your ex, or you're thinking about heartache, it's only going to go there. Don't think about stupid people, okay? Now, after you finish fifth dimensional healing, I'm going to suggest everyone to get a spray which is called a cutting cords spray. It's available on my online store. It's the cheapest way to cut your cords. The cheapest way. Okay? So buy the cutting cord spray and spray it on all your chakras. And try to spray the cutting cords as much as possible. Because when people connect to you, think of you, they hook you. People in relationships, people who are your colleagues, people who are just, energy vampires will hook you and suck your energy. So you need to cut cords with people periodically. So get the cutting cord spray and spray it on all your chakras. You may get a back pain. Whenever I spray cutting cords on my root chakra, I get a crazy back pain because it's sort of cut it. Now all that ganda energy is just spread. Phail gaya hai wo. So just spray BMR spray on top of it. That's like the easy jugaad way of getting healing done. Okay? So please follow this, guys. Get fifth dimensional healing. When you get fifth dimensional healing, you're basically in an energy vortex. There's so much downpour of energy, and the more people that participate in the healing, the more powerful, the more intense the energy is. Alright, so participate in it till the 21st. It's a jackpot time between two eclipses. Don't miss a chance. Till the 21st, the most potent time to do candle lighting at the Temple of Miracles. Don't miss it. These opportunities don't come every day. Alright, so participate in the Temple of Miracles candle service. Also participate in fifth dimensional healing and just do salt baths every single day. This is the time that you spend for me, for yourself. Honor yourself.